So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, Associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video I'm going to discuss with you what is the object of Rule 17 of CPC. So this is a very important thing for you to understand if we talk about Order 6 Rule 17 in CPC, which is all about amendment of pleadings. So let's start the discussion on its and understand what is its objects. So the object of Order 6 Rule 17 is to empower the courts to try the case on its merits and allow all those amendments that are necessary for determining the real controversy. But it should never cause any injustice to the other party. Courts exist for the purpose of doing full and complete justice to the parties, and that can be done only when the real issue between the parties is heard. Hence, they are empowered to grant amendments to the pleadings. The purpose is to determine the real issue between the parties and not punish them for their mistakes or negligence. In the case of Ramesh Kumar Agarwal versus Rajmala Exports Private Limited of 2012, the Supreme Court of India explained the object of the amendment of pleadings. It was held in this case that the courts must not refuse any amendments that are bona fide, necessary and honest. The court further stated that the object of this provision is to allow both the parties to amend pleadings in a just manner. The basic consideration for permitting amendment should be to avoid a multiplicity of litigations. So I hope you pretty much clear. In case of any doubt, any confusion, do let me know in the comment section. See you on the next video with some more information.